Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create image gallery with Elementor free plugin. Before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. So let's check which we are going to build in this tutorial. This is the image gallery which we are going to build in this tutorial. You can see it's a very amazing and modern design. It has lots of style and you can use any one of them which you need. Okay, so let's get started. We'll do it with Elementor free add-on. So very first we have to install a Elementor add-on. So go to the admin dashboard, just hover on the inside name and click on dashboard. Then hover over on plugins, click on add plugin and search here pixel gallery. This is the add-on which we are going to use in this tutorial. So click on install now, activate. After activating the add-on, maybe you will be redirected in this page. If you will redirect in another page, just check from the left side admin menu, check pixel gallery. Where is pixel gallery? This is the pixel gallery. Then click on this pixel gallery. Then you will be redirected in this plugin settings area. This is the plugin settings area. Very first you can see dashboard, code widget, extension, other settings and get pro. Actually we need code widgets, so click on here code widgets. Then very first you can see wall, free, pro and filter by. Actually we want to use free gallery or free widget, so click on free widget. You can see lots of widgets which are free. Okay, some of are pro and some of them are free. So in this tutorial I will show you only one widget. If you want, then you can just enable from here and then you can use it. Okay, so in this tutorial only I want to show it Lumen, enable it. Or if you want, then you can activate or enable from here. So click on activate all, scroll down and save settings. Now our widgets are ready to use. So go to the website and this is the image gallery which is blank page. Now I want to add gallery here, so edit with Elementor. Hit on this plus icon and take a new section. Okay, I want to take it fluid, so flexbox and boxed fluid. Click on this plus icon, then click on this add element from left top plus icon, then just check. This is the pixel gallery and we want to use Lumen. Okay, just scroll down and check. This is the Lumen, this widget we want to use. If you want, then you can use another widget which you need and you can check one by one. Okay, so you can see it shows perfectly. Now I have to add image, so click on this pencil icon, then this is the content tab. Navigate to the items tab. This is the item tab, click on it and just add image from here. You can add image from computer and I want to add image from media library. Already I have uploaded it. You can see it has lots of image. Okay, or I can upload from my computer. Download. Okay, this is my image. Open. Okay, all images are uploaded. Now I can use it. Okay, select this image and select, click on select. You can see image is showing here. Then again select another image, Here publish it, then check it. Yes, you can see it works perfectly. Let's check its settings. So again go to the dashboard and editor, then item. If you click on this item, then you can see this is the image. You can change image from here. Already I did it. Then the title, you can change this title from here. Gallery item 1, you can see, you can change from here. Then the meta content, this is the meta content, and you can, if you want, then you can give link here. Just take from here. Then again I want to change the style, so copy this section. Okay, then again navigate to the style tab, then navigate to the style tab, then very bottom you can see mask. Okay, mask you can change from here type. Just select this HBG. If you want, then you can check its clip path mask. I want to give it HBG mask. Then you can change style from here. You can see lots of style are here. You can use any one of them. Okay, and you can style the content title from here. Okay, you can do it from here. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.